trick when you're taking apart these air bands. Scratch the paint off with a small screwdriver before you take off the air band, and scratch on the side exactly where the pointer goes for the small adjust, and you won't get it wrong putting it back. With the pump, you got the end of the coupling and you're putting it on. You spin the fan with your finger and that rotates it so you can slip the coupling onto the pump. When I replace the filter out of the tank, I left it full of air. Now I'm going to bleed out. All that air is going to push through the line, and any sediment buildup in the line will be disrupted by the air as it comes through, until you get a steady stream. Also helps to wash out the inner cover of the pump. Another trick, now that the line's been bled out to the pump, I'm just going to pull up on this right here with the two bottom bolts tight and the two top ones just loose. Once I have oil coming out the top of the cover, I can tighten down and the furnace will fire first try. Pump has been bled.